portable monitors have become a game changer for anyone who craves extra screen real estate without the hassle. Seriously, these things have been sprouting up everywhere lately, and it's easy to see why. They make expanding your laptop's display effortless, offering all the perks of a dual monitor setup without turning your space into a cluttered mess. The setup is as simple as it gets. Just one USB-C cable and you're good to go. That single cable does it all, handling both video and power. But here's the thing, with so many companies jumping on the bandwagon, it's hard to know which one to go for. So why this one? Well, at under $160, this monitor is by far one of the cheaper ones. This is the MACSECOR 14.1-inch monitor. This laptop screen extender is a total game changer if you're craving more screen space without the hassle. It easily clamps onto the lid of your laptop, instantly giving you an extra monitor. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you're using a Windows laptop or a MacBook, these monitors show up just like any other external display would. It's like adding a whole new dimension to your workflow. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, this extender makes multitasking smoother and way more enjoyable. Being one of the cheapest options on the market definitely raises the question, does this screen extender actually deliver, or is it a classic case of you get what you pay for? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing this unit, you're immediately greeted with a few thoughtful accessories that make the setup not only smooth but also keep everything organized when you're on the go. Inside the box, you'll find the monitor itself, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a C-to-C cable, and even a USB-C to HDMI adapter, so you're covered no matter what kind of ports your laptop has. What really impressed me though was the premium storage bag they threw in. It's a nice touch that ensures your monitor stays protected and scratch-free when you're tossing it in your bag. It's got just the right amount of padding. Not too bulky, but enough to protect the screen when it's packed away with your other gear. The sleek design means it's easy to slip into your laptop bag or backpack without adding any unnecessary bulk. The bag also has a snug fit, so the monitor doesn't slide around inside, and there's enough space in the front pocket to tuck in the cables too, keeping everything neat and organized. Now let's move on to the monitor itself, because it is quite a sleek looking piece of kit. Overall, the bezels on this monitor are impressively thin on three sides, giving it a sleek, modern look that I really appreciate. Now the bottom bezel is a bit thicker, but honestly that's to be expected. It's where all the controls and wiring for the ports are tucked away. Even though the bezels are plastic, things really start to pop when you flip the monitor around to the back. There's this cool pattern and some thoughtful design elements that add a touch of character and make the monitor feel more polished and intentional. It's a nice contrast to the sleek minimalist front, giving the back a bit more personality and substance. One feature I'm genuinely impressed with is the pull-out stand. It's a really smart addition that adds a lot of functionality to the monitor. The design is incredibly practical. What's great about this is it doesn't just provide flexibility in how you set up your workspace, it also offers some support to the back of your laptop screen. This is particularly handy because it helps distribute the weight more evenly, reducing any potential strain on your laptop's hinges. It's those little thoughtful touches that make a big difference in everyday use, that's for sure. When it comes to the build quality of this monitor, it's definitely a mixed bag, and you can see that it reflects the rather budget-friendly price tag. The monitor feels reasonably sturdy in terms of durability, but its plastic construction may not be as reassuring as higher-end materials. The included storage bag is a great addition, and you will want to take advantage of it as the monitor may not survive many falls. However, while the build quality isn't top tier, it's consistent with the monitor's affordable price. It's functional, visually appealing, and well designed for its price range. For a budget-friendly option, this monitor definitely holds its own. In terms of ports, we do have everything located on the rear. There are 3 USB-C ports available, which are clearly labeled. The Type-C 1 and Type-C 2 ports are versatile, supporting a range of functionalities including data transfer, peripheral connectivity, and video output. The HDMI port allows for direct connection to external displays and other HDMI-compatible devices. For video output, you have the flexibility to use either of the USB-C ports, which can transmit video signals to external monitors or projectors. Additionally, if you're connecting an HDMI source, it's necessary to use a USB-C port to supply extra power to ensure the proper functionality of the HDMI connection. This setup allows for a variety of configurations depending on your connectivity needs. So I'm using this with my MacBook Air with the M1 chip, and I've got to say, getting it set up was a total breeze. The spring-loaded clamps are a game changer here. You just pull them out, place them on the back of your screen, and they hold everything in place with ease. It's such an easy process. Just adjust the clamps and you're good to go. One thing to note is that there is a slight wobble, but honestly, it's nothing major. It doesn't interfere with your usage or make things feel unstable, especially if you're using the rear stand, which adds extra support. Overall, the setup feels solid and reliable with only a minor wobble that doesn't detract from the experience. If you've got a modern laptop, chances are it comes with a USB-C port, and this is where the ease of use really shines. Seriously, if your laptop has C port, setting up this monitor is a piece of cake. You just plug the supplied cable into the monitor, then into your laptop, and that's it. One cable handles both power and image, which is not only a huge space saver, but also makes portability a breeze. You can be lounging on your sofa with the laptop perched on your lap, or easily attach it when you're on the go. It's so much simpler and more flexible compared to dealing with a bulky stationary monitor. The convenience of being able to set up a second screen wherever you are is a game changer, making both workspace and travel a whole lot easier. When it comes to image quality, there's a little bit of tweaking needed out of the box, but don't worry, it's super easy. The default resolution is set to 960 by 540, which is okay for basic use, but you'll definitely want to bump it up to the full 1920 by 1080p for the best experience. Trust me, once you've made these adjustments, the image quality is spot on, and the monitor really starts to shine for the asking price. The display panel on this monitor is a 16 by 9 IPS screen with full 1080p resolution, and let me tell you, it delivers some seriously impressive visuals. The color accuracy and clarity are spot on, making everything from text to images look crisp and vibrant. The IPS technology means you get excellent viewing angles too. Whether you're looking from the side or from above, the screen holds up well and the colors seem to stay true. For its price, this monitor offers a really solid display that enhances your work and entertainment experiences. There's a handy control wheel on the monitor that makes adjusting settings a breeze. You can easily tweak things like brightness, color, and contrast to get the display just the way you like it. Plus, if you're spending long hours in front of the screen, you can turn on the low blue light technology to reduce eye strain. It's a great feature that adds a bit of extra comfort and makes the monitor more adaptable to your needs. The menu is easy to navigate and it will save your settings automatically, so you don't have to do this each time you turn it on. When it comes to placement, you've got some great options. You can set up the monitor on either the right or left side of your laptop, depending on what works best for you. But here's where it gets even better. You can manually rotate the display in the settings to switch it into portrait mode. This is a game changer for tasks that benefit from a longer vertical view. If you're working with long text, drafting blog posts, or reviewing documents, having that extra vertical space is incredibly useful. It turns this monitor into a fantastic tool for reading and editing, making it a lot easier to keep everything in view without constant scrolling. So whether you need a sidekick for multitasking or a dedicated space for long-form content, this monitor adapts to your needs beautifully. All in all, I have to say, this monitor is a solid choice if you're looking for something budget-friendly that still packs a punch. inch. It features a full HD screen which delivers crisp visuals, impressive color accuracy, and wide viewing angles. The setup process is a breeze and its portability is a major plus, thanks to the single USB-C cable that handles both power and video. Connecting it to your laptop is incredibly straightforward. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can place it on either side of your laptop and even rotate it into portrait mode, which is perfect for tasks that require extra vertical space like reading long documents. As for the build quality, it's decent for the price. What more can I say? The majority of the construction is plastic, and there's a slight wobble, but it doesn't really affect usability. To put it plainly, if you're on a budget and need a portable monitor that delivers solid performance and flexibility, this one is definitely worth considering. It might not be the highest end option out there, but it offers great features and functionality for its price. Be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.